Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 2.4 based on the division of fractions. So let us start our exercise. First question is you have to find the value of all these division, and as you can see here you are given a fraction and a whole number. So we can say in question number 1 you have to divide a whole number by a fraction. So let us solve its first part, that is 12 divided by 3 upon 4. First part is 12 divided by 3 upon 4. As we have learnt in our previous class that if you have to divide a fraction by a whole number or a fraction by a fraction, what you have to do, you have to change the division sign by multiplication and you have to take the reciprocal of the divisor. So what will we do here? We will write 12 as it is and we will exchange the division sign by multiplication sign, and here 3 upon 4 is the divisor. Divisor means the number by which we are dividing the dividend. So here 3 upon 4 is the divisor. So we have to take the reciprocal of 3 upon 4, and I have told you that reciprocal means you just have to swap the values of numerator and denominator. So if 3 is numerator, so in reciprocal 3 will be denominator, and if 4 is the denominator, then after reciprocal 4 will be numerator. So reciprocal of 3 upon 4 is 4 upon 3. Now solving this, what will you get? As you can see that now this is the case of multiplication. So what you have to do, you can see that 12 comes in the table of 3, so you can cancel out 3 by 12 by 3, that is 3 4s are 12. Now you can see 4 into 4 is 16, so our answer is 16. So the answer of first part is 16. Now second part, 14 divided by 5 upon 6. Second part is 14 divided by 5 upon 6. Similarly, you have to do this question also, that is you have to write 14 as it is, replace the division by multiplication and do the reciprocal of 5 upon 6, that will be 6 upon 5. Okay, now as you can see 14 is a whole number, 6 upon 5 is a fraction. So multiplication of fraction is very easy. You have to multiply the numerator by together and denominator together. If 14 is given, that is obvious that denominator will be 1. Now what you have to do, you have to multiply 14 into 6 and 1 into 5. So 14 into 6 is 6 4s are 24, carry is 2, so 6 1s are 6 and 6 plus 2 is 8, divide by 5. Now you can see here that 84 is greater than 5, so you have to divide 84 by 5. I am erasing the first part here. So what you have to do in second part, now you have to divide 84 by 5 and then you have to write the answer. So I am doing it here, that 84 divide by 5, you have to solve it. So 5 ones are 5, what is the remainder? 8 minus 5 is 3. Now you have to take 4 from above, that is now your dividend is 34. Now you have to divide 34 by 5. So 5 6 are 30. So what is our remainder now? 4. Now you can see 4 is less than 5, so we cannot further divide 4 by 5. So what will be our remainder here? That is 4. So what we can write it as? We can write 16 4 upon 5. Okay, so this is our answer to question number 1, second part. Similarly, you have to do rest of the parts of question number 1, and if you still have any doubt, you can further ask me about the part which you cannot solve. Now moving on to question number 2. Question number 2 is, you have to find the reciprocal of each of the following, and then you have to classify the reciprocal as proper, improper and whole numbers. So let us start by first part, that is 3 upon 7. First part is 3 upon 7. You have to find its reciprocal. Reciprocal means दोनों की position change करनी है. So what you have to do, you just have to swap the values. So its reciprocal will be 7 upon 3. Just you have to write its opposite. Its reciprocal will be 7 upon 3. Now you have to identify whether this fraction is proper, improper, proper or improper. As you know that in proper fraction, numerator is smaller than denominator, and in improper fraction, numerator is greater than denominator. So in this you can see that here the numerator is greater than the denominator, so it is an improper fraction. Okay, now it's coming to its seventh part, that is 1 upon 11. Its seventh part is 1 upon 11. This is its seventh part. 1 upon 11. The reciprocal of 1 upon 11 will be 11 upon 1. As you can see here that numerator is 11, denominator is 1, numerator is greater than the denominator, that means it is a improper fraction. Is that clear? Now let us take one more example. Part 4, 6 upon 5. The reciprocal of 6 upon 5 will be 5 upon 6. Now from here you can see numerator is 5, denominator is 6, numerator is less than denominator, so it means that the reciprocal is a proper fraction. Okay, now moving on to our question number 3. In question number 3 you have to find the value of the given parts, that is division of fraction. First part is 7 by 3 divided by 2. 7 by 3 divided by 2. So again what you have to do, you have to write 7 by 3 as it is. You have to replace division by multiplication, and if here 2 is given, so 2 means 2 upon 1. Okay, because denominator is nothing but it is 1 if it is not mentioned. So what you have to do, you have to take the reciprocal of 2 upon 1. So a reciprocal of 2 will be 1 upon 2. Now you can see this is a multiplication of fraction. This is also a fraction, this is also a fraction. So how will you multiply two fractions? You have to multiply the numerator together and denominator together. That is 7 into 1 divided by 3 into 2. Our answer will be 7 divided by 6. Now 7 is more than 6, so what you have to do, you have to divide 7 by 6, that is 6 ones are 6, remainder is 1. So what will you write here? You will write 1 by 6. So this will be the answer of first part. Now let us take fifth part. Fifth part is, let us take this part. Here it is given 3 1 by 2 divide by 4. So first you have to convert the mixed fraction into simple fraction. That is, how will you convert it? You will multiply 3 into 2, and in the result of multiplication you have to add this value, that is 1, and denominator will be same. This I am doing here just to make it clear to you, otherwise you have to note it in your rough side so that you can put the final answer in your solution. So what will be the solution now? You can write it as 3 into 2 is 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7 divided by 2. So 3 1 by 2 is 7 by 2. Now you have to replace. Now our question become like this, that is 7 upon 2 divided by 4. 7 upon 2 comes after simplification of mixed fraction 3 1 upon 2. Now what you have to do? Now you have to replace the multiplication sign by division sign by multiplication, and you have to take the reciprocal of 4. If 4 is given, that means it is 4 upon 1, so its reciprocal will be 1 upon 4. Okay, now what you have to do? You have to multiply both the fractions, that is 7 into 1 divided by 2 into 4. 7 into 1 is 7 and 4 into 2 is 8, and as you see that 7 is less than 8, so you cannot further divide it by 8. So this is our final answer of part 5. Is that clear? Now moving on to its sixth part, that is this part. This is 4 3 upon 7 divided by 7. So again we have to convert mixed fraction into simple fraction. I am just writing the simple fraction of the mixed fraction, that is 7 into 4 is 28 and 28 plus 3 is 31 divided by 7. Okay, divide by 7 as it is. So what you have to do now? You have to replace the division sign by multiplication, and if 7 is given, that means 7 upon 1. Now you have to take the reciprocal of this number, that is it will be 7 by 7. Now what we have to do? We have to multiply the numerator together and denominator together. So 31 into 1 divided by 7 into 7 is equals to 31 upon 7 7s are 49. Again you can see the numerator is less than denominator, so we cannot further divide it. So it will be our answer, that is 31 upon 49. This is our answer of sixth part. Rest of the part you have to do by yourself. Now moving on to question number 4. Question number 4 is again division. So let us take its fourth part, that is 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. 2 1 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. This is fourth part. What you have to do? You have to convert the mixed fraction into simple fraction. That is, how will you do it? You will multiply 2 by 3. 3 2s are 6 and 6 plus 1 is 7. So 7 by 3 divided by 3 by 5. सबसे पहले क्या किया? मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन को सिंपल में चेंज किया और बाकी जो टर्म्स थी उसको हमने यहाँ पे एज इट इज़ लिखा. ठीक है. उसके बाद what you have to do? Now you have to replace the division sign by multiplication, and you have to take the reciprocal of divisor, that is 3 upon 5 reciprocal is 5 upon 3. So 7 5 you have to do now multiplication. 7 5s are 35 and 3 3s are 9, and as you can see 35 is greater than 9, so you can easily divide 35 by 9 in your rough side of notebook. So 9 4s are 36, so it is greater than 35, so 9 3s are 27. What is the remainder? What will be the remainder? If you subtract 15 minus 7, so remainder will be 8. Okay, and as you can see 8 is less than 9, so we cannot further divide 8 by 9. So what will be our answer? you will write here. Nine threes are 27. 8 upon 9. Okay, so this is our final answer of question number 4, fourth part. Now moving on to question number 4, seventh part. 3 1 by 5, 1 2 by 3. 3 1 by 5, 1 2 by 3. 3 1 by 5 divided by 1 2 by 3. So how will you solve it? You just you have to convert the mixed fraction into simple fraction. How will you do that? 5 3s are 15 and 15 plus 1 is 16, and denominator you will write as it is, divided by 3 1s are 3 and 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 divided by 3. Now you have to change division by multiplication, and reciprocal of 5 by 3 is 3 upon 5. Now 16 3s are is 6 3s are 18, carry 1, 3 1s are 3 and 1 is 4, 5 5s are 25. Now what you have to do, you have to divide 48 by 25. How will we do it? 48 upon 25 is 48 divided by 25. 25 ones are 25. So 8 minus 5 is 3. 4 minus 2 is 2. But 23 is less than 25. So our answer will be 123 upon 25. Okay. So this is the this was our question number 4, seventh part. Now we have done question number 4, fourth and seventh part, 2 parts. Rest of the part you have to do by yourself, and if you are still face any doubt, then you can ask me. So that's all for today. We have done exercise 2.4 and rest of the questions are your homework, and we will be studying next topic in our next class. Thank you.